Is this AI pin going to replace the iPhone? Hello. Today we're going to talk about a new company called Humane and their first product, the Humane AI pin. We'll explore what this new device is, how it works, and whether it has the potential to replace the iPhone. Humane is a startup founded by ex-Apple design and engineering duo, Imran Chaudhry and Bethany Bongiorno. The company has been secretive about its work since its founding in 2018, but it has brought on dozens of ex-Apple employees responsible for the iPhone's touchscreen keyboard, elements of Apple's industrial design, and infrastructure for Apple services like iCloud, Apple Pay, and Home. The Humane AI Pin is the company's first product. It's a wearable gadget with a projected display and AI-powered features. The device is designed to clip to a breast pocket and can perform many tasks a smartphone can, but with fewer gestures and voice commands required. Activated with a tap, the AI Pin can offer a summary of emails and calendar invites, translate between languages, answer and place phone calls, recognize objects around it such as food, nutrition labels, and project an interactive interface onto nearby surfaces, like the palm of your hand or the surface of a table. The AI Pin uses a range of sensors that enable contextual and ambient compute interactions. It's powered by an advanced Snapdragon platform in partnership with Qualcomm. The device harnesses the power of AI to enable innovative personal computing experiences. It's still too early to say whether the Humane AI Pin will replace the iPhone. Some might consider the AI Pin a rival to Apple's Vision Pro spatial computer. However, the Vision Pro sets the stage for a future where smart AR glasses could replace the iPhone. The full potential of the AI Pin remains to be seen, as it has not yet been released. The Humane AI Pin is an intriguing new device that aims to reshape the role of technology in our lives. With its advanced AI capabilities and projected display, it has the potential to change how we interact with technology. Whether it will replace the iPhone remains to be seen, but we'll be keeping an eye on this exciting new product.
The future will not be held in your hand, and it won't be on your face either. The future of technology might almost be invisible. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about emerging technologies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. If you have any thoughts or questions about Humane or their AI Pin, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Take care. Bye-bye.